Alright guys, you read the title. This video can go one of two ways. Either I get this thing fixed, and okay, here's some background on it. I believe there's a lot of hair in there, and it smells horrible when I turn it on. That's probably what happened. And if the video title says cleaning out a hairdryer, don't follow this as a guide on how to clean your own. It's just me cleaning it out with my own tools, whatever I have. But if it says teardown, that means I didn't fix it, and I'm actually taking it apart and meant to throw it away soon. So, let's get started. I'm kind of excited to know what I'm going to name the video. So there are two screws in the handle. Obviously after removing the top part. Got it. Okay, handle should separate, at least there are two parts to the handle, a top part. Hang on, let me get this off first. Hold on. Looks like I need a flathead screwdriver. Alright, that's better. So we can see the inside of it now, kind of dusty. It's to be expected. Now, obviously, make sure it's unplugged before you do this. I doubt it would be a pleasant experience having this turn on while you're working on it. Oh, well, you can already find a small bit of hair. Let me get my trash can. That's disgusting. Okay, so the fan assembly doesn't come out. There are two screws, one there and one there. And let me get my longer screwdriver. This should do. A bit longer, doesn't have this. It's just a long, metal rod with a Phillips head bit on the end. Yeah, it's rotating. This one's also magnetic. Let's see, are they the same screws? No, so I'll have to put them in different areas on my parts tray over there. Alright, it should come out now. And I found a ton of hair in there. I gotta clean all this out. So we're not gonna dismantle this assembly. Here we'll leave this as it is, the 2000 watt motor and a heating element, which has a lot of burned hair. So yeah, this is gonna be mostly me picking out a lot of hair from this thing. I might also have to remove the fan, because there's probably a lot of hair wrapped around that shaft there that goes from the motor into the fan. Wow, it has 2,000 watts in that motor. That's more than my computer's power supply. But I mean, this thing is also very powerful. It dries your hair in like a long, medium length, I don't know, a minute or so. Alright. taking out all the hair. Actually, I'm going to turn on time-lapse mode. This might take a while. Well, looks like this video is going to be called Teardown because the motor now feels a bit stuck here because I was trying to remove the fan because, like I said, there's a ton of hair on the shaft that goes to the fan. And to put it simply, I kind of damaged the motor, the shaft that goes to from the motor up to the fan by using a screwdriver to remove it. Or at least try to remove it, because I have not yet successfully done it. So I'll be disconnecting just did disconnect it, the heating element from the motor, because we won't be needing that no more. See, it makes that noise. So I'll continue trying to remove the fan from it. See if I can. So this might take a while, and I will have to do it on the floor, most likely. So this is going to be off camera. All right, I successfully removed it with a bit of a struggle. It really doesn't want to. It really put up a fight. Now I can remove the motor from its housing, and as you see, there's a ton of hair. Oh my God, look at that. Yeah, there's so much hair around this motor shaft. That's why it was slowing down. That's why, like, it spun. It's just the right word. It spun down so quickly. You could try powering it over at 9 volt or something. Oh, it works. Thought this was an AC motor. But it does run on 9 volt, and it runs alright. But it struggled a lot, so it's technically broken. So, that's it. Let's look at what else we have here. Those basically go to the heating elements. Yep. Those wires go to the heating elements. But where are my scissors? Here we go. These wire cutters, actually. Just cut the wires, see what we got. So we have a switch for hot and cold, and we also got a switch for the cold shot, that's what it's called, for an instant burst of cold air. And we also have the on-off switch that also has high and low. And we have a capacitor here of some sort. Let me see. No, that's not a capacitor. I'm not sure what it is. Capacitors usually have 2 terminals. This looks like it's got 3. A fuse of some sort, but no, that would be it here. And that brings us... hit my finger just in the wrong place. This, which is the plug. Let's take it apart. So it uses triangular screws. So you'll need a special screwdriver to take this apart. And there are a couple springs in there, things you use to press, reset, and test. It said you need to test your plug once in a while if you can. Here's the inside. Have a look at that. Something fell down. Not sure what, but there it is. It seems to be that plunger thing. Okay, where'd it go? It went somewhere. It's on my floor. I'll probably step on it later. I don't know. But that is the inside of a hairdryer. So the video is going to be titled Hairdryer Teardown. And no, this wasn't staged. If you think it was, it wasn't, because I don't know. If there's some kind of film director watching this, you tell me why you think it's not staged. Yeah, but for the people who think it is, it's not. And I hope all of you believe. Okay, that's just making it sound suspicious. Bit sus. Emergency meeting. Whatever. See you next time. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see tech videos. And I'll see you next time.